Hi and welcome to another video on LabVIEW Advantage. Please pause the screen and try to understand the problem statement and try to select the correct answer. I'll give you the solution in a moment. The requirement of this problem statement is there is an error in the code and it is saying that the data array out is actually the correct content. So it is asking you how we can debug this code. So there are four options given over there. The option A means that make data array out of the type def, create a copy of data array out, change the control and replace data array in with the new control. And yes, this is the correct answer. We can also go through the different options whether they are correct or not. So option B, delete the extra element from data array in and then save data array out as the type def. So this is not going to work because the question says that the data array out is the correct cluster. So we'll go to the option C. Option C says right click on the data array in, choose open type def and make changes. Again, this is also not going to work. Finally, delete data array in, hit Control B, so on, and then it says create control and so on. But again, this is also not going to work because this is not related with the data array out. So the correct answer is A. Please like, share and comment on this video, and please do not forget to subscribe for the future LabVIEW videos. I'll see you next on the another CLAD preparation video.